Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. We are going to do an unboxing of the Nailzinacoffin December bundle. And this is definitely my favorite so far for a few reasons, but we'll get into that in a second. Stickers, I love stickers. I put them anywhere I can in my nail room. I've got those beautiful snowflakes on the other side and these little like, I don't know what they are. I don't know what most of the stuff I look at is. I just think it's pretty, so I put it on my nails. So yeah, these are the decals and I super love them. We're getting to my favorite decal page here in a second. I mean, I love them all and I will wear as many as I possibly can, but these ones I just immediately fell in love with. Unfortunately, my first mani using two of the decals on that sheet was a fail. Not the decals' fault, my fault. But that is okay. That happens sometimes. That is basically a little tool, a silicone tool to press down the decals, flatten them out. I did use it. It works really good. And this, oh, I am so in love with this. This is Peppermint Swirl. Nailzinacoffin did this. And I could not be more obsessed. The oil is probably one of the best oils I've ever put onto my skin. I hope she keeps making these. The smell, I'm obsessed with. I really need like a huge tub of it. These are the dips that came in it. They are Sassy Mouth, and spoiler alert, I'm obsessed. Like this one is a really pretty blue shimmer. And it's really pretty, but the other one, I cannot get over it. I really want to wear this with every single mani I do for the rest of my life. I'm not going to, but I want to. I'm going to use it today. Woohoo! And it is even prettier than I thought it was. So I did already dip two nails off camera, the white, just right there, just to have that part over with. I'm going to do my first layer, all three nails, and I stay away from the cuticle. I'm going to stop saying this because I think that you guys get it by now. I just don't go all the way back so that it's not bulky back there, so that when I put these on my nails, they're not bulky. And it just minimizes the amount of filing I have to do back there and the risk of ruining them or making them look bad. Anyway, so I'm going to do the first layer and then I will show one nail since it's the same exact color, same exact process, doing the second layer, and then we'll get into the decals. I'm going to let you guys watch for a minute and I will be right back. Okay, we are doing our second layer, so I just dusted off. I did that off camera so I could do it right into my garbage can, and then coat the entire nail, and then I'm going to lay flat so I can pick up as much of there is some bigger pieces in here. I wouldn't really call it chunky, but a little bit bigger, and I want to pick up like as much of that gorgeous glitter that I can. So pouring over isn't the best way to do that on the second layer, in my opinion. So that's why I lay flat into it, and I'm just kind of flattening it out. And then I will go in a second time because I'm using the odorless, so they tend to stay wet longer, and just kind of soaking up as much of that liquid with the dip. I don't know if that made sense. Anyway, so I already activated the white ones a while ago, so those are now filed, and now I'm going to, I clear capped the glitter nails and I let them sit for a little bit so that they could dry. They're not 100% dry. You can see that they look wet, but with the odorless, that's fine. I just go right in with my activator and that will harden and dry them instantly. I don't know. Oh, okay. So one layer of activator, because it is a glitter dip, this is just a habit. It really didn't need it, honestly, probably at all. But I just like to kind of go over and smush them with my finger or my little glitter doohickey thing that I use sometimes. But since I have gloves on, it's just kind of pointless. I can just use my fingers. Just kind of laying them as flat as I can. And then I will go in and I will activate 2 more times so that they will fully harden so that I can file them. I really just kind of graze over them with a 180 grit file. They don't need a lot. I kind of go around the edges just a little bit to clean up any glitter that's on the side. And then I buff them really smooth, and then bam, they are ready to go. So now we'll get into the decals. So I'm going to use and I always use this if I'm doing a full cover decal. If I'm doing just little decals, sometimes I'll just go in with a sticky base coat. I do, Nailzinacoffin has a sticky base coat. I cannot remember what it's called. But I haven't gotten it yet, and I don't know why. I'm kind of mad at myself because I'm pretty sure it sold out during the Labor Day Black Friday sale. Wow. But I'm pretty sure it will be back. So I do want to get that. But I do love this stuff because it works so good. So I let the decals sit in the water for only 15 seconds. Usually I do longer, but these ones peeled right off, separated from the backing after 15 seconds, just fine. So they only needed 15 seconds. And I was like, crap. I was really scared to do this. I thought I was going to ruin it. Shockingly, I did not. I was so happy. And then I just kind of smooth it out over the entire nail. And then we'll go into the next one and do the exact same thing. I have so many decal videos. It's kind of insane. So if you want a more detailed cleanup of the decal, go watch any of my other decal videos because I'm pretty sure it's in all of them. I just wanted to keep this one more about the unboxing and what comes in the box and the mani that I did with it. So I did not leave in all of my cleanup of the decal, but basically I just go around, I cut off any excess, and then after I do this step, I will file anything that's still left hanging on the underneath side. So this is activator that I go over the decals with. I let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds, touch the top of the nail, make sure it's not sticky anymore. And then I just go around with my fingers and lay everything so flat. This stuff works. The activator is like the key, in my opinion, to getting the decals to lay super flat, super perfect, no wrinkles, no crinkles, no nothing. I don't over activate it because you can ruin the decal, but just one layer of activator, bam, works so good. And then I will go over with a layer of the odorless base coat. I do not do this. I have done it with a regular dip base and it will ruin your brush. But the activator, or the odorless, I think it's impossible to contaminate. I'm pretty sure I could stick my brush in the activator and it would be fine. I'm not even joking. I'm dead serious. So I wiped off any excess activator and then I'll just go over with the odorless base to protect the decal before I get into the top coat. And it's as easy as that. And they are so pretty. Wait till you see the whole look together. I'm honestly obsessed with it. These decals and this dip, honestly, were like made for each other. They're so perfect. Okay, I have done so much talking and we're almost actually at the end. So that's what we're looking like. They are, I'm sorry. I know I keep saying it, but they're so pretty. Okay. We're going to do odorless dip top coat this time. I've been using the 3 Broke Girls, which is not an odorless, but I decided to use my odorless on this mani. And I'm glad I did because they're so shiny and pretty. So 2 layers of activator, wait 2 minutes, wipe off with a lint-free wipe, no alcohol, just a plain lint-free wipe. And then I have this weird thing about flipping the lint-free wipe over and wiping again. I don't know why, but it's what I've always done, so I just kind of stick with it. It works really well. I try not to change anything because I have this great combo of the odorless dip top coat looking super pretty and shiny for me. And I know a lot of people don't have that success even with the Color My World. In fact, I've talked to people that don't like this top coat because they can't make it shiny no matter how hard they try. And I don't know what it is or why it is, but for me, I feel like it's super shiny. So it is what it is. And my clearly my bottle is almost empty, but I'm going to use every last drop I can because I cannot stand wasting product. So I will shake the crap out of it until I get enough on my brush that I can use. And then I will wait 1 minute, and then I will go in with coat number 2, and that's it. We're done. Well, we're not done yet. I still got to put these on my nails, which I don't do on camera. I did just use, because these are a little bit longer, I just used sticky tabs. I took pictures. I wore them for a little bit just because they were so pretty. I did not want to take them off. But I mean, I have them. I save them. It's not like I throw them away. I can wear them in the future if I want. I just need to like kind of pick the right moment, because if I'm doing anything with a computer or any kind of picking stuff up with my hands, they're just a little bit too long for me, that I'm a little uncoordinated. So like if I was going out to dinner or something, that would be a great time to stick some glue on and wear them. But right now they're just adhered with sticky tabs, but they still are so pretty. I'm just so in love. Okay, let's get into this amazing cuticle oil. So I actually used this in my last video too, but I wouldn't tell you guys what it was because I wanted to keep it a secret until this unboxing. But it is, I don't know. I don't know what sorcery she has in here, but not only is the smell fantastic, the oil itself is so good and so refreshing on my skin, and just so, I don't know, I can't explain it. I've used a lot of oils from a lot of companies, and no shade to any of them. I've loved all of them, but this is special, and I really hope it never goes away. Okay, we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful day. Bye.